Hi everyone, it's Carl here from Sydney, Australia, and in this video we're going to look at plural nouns and why. For example, a baby, babies. A toy, toys. Why does babies end in IES with no Y, but toys just ends in S? Well, in the rest of the video we're going to find out. The first rule is consonant plus Y means you have to remove the Y and add IES. Now you might wonder, what are consonants? Consonants are the following letters and sounds: B or B, C or K, D or D, F or F, G or G, H or H, J or J, K or K, L or L, M or M, N or N, P or P, Q or Q, R or R, with the tongue at the back of the mouth, S or S, T or T, with your tongue here behind the front teeth, V or V, with your bottom lip here touching the top teeth, V, W or W, W, with your lips together, X or X, and Z or Z, with your tongue up here but not touching your teeth. So if you have one of these consonant sounds or one of these letters plus Y at the end of the word, when it's a plural you must remove Y and add IES. Let's take a look at some examples of this rule. So here we have a lady, D and Y, so letter D and Y at the end. So the plural is two ladies. Remove the Y and add IES. Here's another example. Sydney. Sydney is a city. T and Y are at the end of the word. So the plural is two cities. Remove the Y and add IES. Take a look at this example. A cherry. We have the consonant sound R and the last letter Y. So we remove Y, add IES, two cherries. By now you should be getting quite good at this. So you can see here, Spain is a country. We have the consonant R and the last letter is Y. So the plural is two countries. Remove Y, add IES. And for this example, a battery. So we have the consonant sound R, or the letter R, and last letter Y. So remove Y and add IES, and we have the plural, two batteries. The second rule is when you have a vowel plus Y at the end of the word. In this case, just add S. So vowels are A or A, E or E, I or I, O or O, U or A. So the first example of this is, we have a boy, O being a vowel sound, and the letter Y. So the plural is two boys, just add S. The next one here, a retail display, like you'd see in Coles or David Jones or Woolworths. We have A followed by Y, A is a vowel. And so for the plural, two retail displays, just add S. A hallway, it's A, which is a vowel, followed by Y. So the plural, two hallways, just add S. A trolley, it's vowel E, followed by Y. So what do you think the plural form is? If you said just add S, then yes, you've got it 100% correct. Two trolleys. Okay, it's time to review what we've learnt. I'm going to show you a couple of examples and you tell me, does it end in S or do you replace Y and add IES? A strawberry. How do we make this into a plural? Do we say just add S, or do we remove the Y and add IES? If you said option 2, you're 100% correct. R is a consonant, and so R, consonant, and Y, we have to remove the Y and add IES. How about this one? A driveway. What's the correct form? Do you remove Y and add IES or just add S? You got it 100% correct. That's right. Just add S. In this video, we've learnt about plural nouns and Y, and the two rules. The first rule, consonant plus Y. If it's a plural, remove Y and add IES. For example, a baby, two babies, three babies, four babies. No Y, IES. Rule 2. A vowel plus Y. In plural form, just add S. Example, a toy, two toys, three toys, four toys. In each case, just add S. I hope you found this video useful, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next video. If you have any suggestions for things you'd like to learn, please write a comment and I'll make a video on it. Have a fantastic day from here in Australia.